Hello everyone, I am social science teacher. I will teach what new education policy has talked about, that is competency based education. What does mean? This means new education policy want for 21st century, that is age of data based intelligence, artificial intelligence, where we have tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and many more. In that age, new education policy has come, where now our focus of learning is shifting toward the competency-based education and for the social science to understand the science, social science, where first how our society works, who we are, what is our right, why we are here, all these questions. But this new education policy want you the skills, what the competency, because now it is the age of information where knowledge is literally free. Knowledge is literally free. You can just click a button in your tablet, smartphone, and you get what the information you want through Google, YouTube. But what we need the mind, which through which you can understand the society based. The skill you need for 21st century is LAR, logical logical mind. You need to understand, is the data is true or false, is the things what is written in the net, in anything, is correct or not factually. For that you need another point, analysis. What you need, the analysis. And third is rationality. So you need logical, analytical, and rational mind. And that's why if you go through new education policy and the book which they recently published for social science, you will clearly, they have written rote learning. Rote learning is not good for society, not for a good education. New education policy strictly taken that rote learning is not good for good education. However, we parents and teachers in a past, what we have made our student as a GK machine, or you can say the data factory, where we have just spoon feed it and we have just gave them a fact, information, knowledge. And generally what happens when somebody asks some question GK type, and if your student or if your child uh, answer them properly, we feel proud that our student know these, that, and that. But the rote learning method is not going to work in the 20th century, 21st century. So You have to develop this skill, that is LAR, and I am here to develop that skill. Even if you go to the exercise, then you will find a lot of question is importance on why, how. So in the previous education policy, more focus on what, but now it is why and how. That's way through where that's way you can develop, you have, you can develop that analytical reasoning skill, and that is important in the age of information where knowledge is already there. So for that, let's go what is written in class 6th. Recently class 6 new book has launched, and their first page is very interesting. Now all the three different book are put in a single book, and they have made a simple book. If you go through that book, then you will understand how beautifully they have managed. And in that section you will understand the infographic is so brilliant, so aesthetic. It seems like you are visiting National Geography channel. Anyhow, I will make a review of all all the book, all the chapters I am going to understand here. So let's start for class 6th. What is social science? Now they have stated why social science. What we know, what we know geography is that, we know history, we know polity, we know society, we know economics. That brought all three different book have put in a single book with number of themes. Good thing is that content had reduced around 60 content has reduced. Content means knowledge wise content has reduced, but what has improved? The important skill based thing is improved. Now everyone has to be learn, read every word, understand carefully. There are important question within the topic, so it is more focusing on the skill, how you are understanding, engaging with the subject. So first theme is India and the world, land and the people. It is talk about where we live, means what what is the place, what is the geography, what is our location in earth, how we put where we are. There you will understand about latitude, longitude. Then next chapter is about water and ocean. Another thing is about, and third chapter is about landform, how mountains, plain, plateau are there. Second theme is history. In history, it has started from the timeline and the sources of history. Why, how we are understanding the things, because we have certain sources, archaeological sources, literature sources. Second important, most important, why our country's name is India, that is Bharat. It is also written in our constitution. And here we have argued about why our nation's name, its evolution. Next, we learn about the beginning of Indian civilization. Here we will study about Saraswati Ghaggar, Saraswati Indus civilization. Now they have written there. Next theme is about our culture, our heritage, our traditional knowledge, about our cultural roots, about our diversity. As a unity in a diversity, we know that is our strength. There is a diversity, and how we live like a one, many in one. The next theme is about the governance and democracy, how the governance system work, how our government work, how it work in family and community level, how local governance work. what is urban government, and then last theme is about the economy, what it is about the economic activity around us, and the value of work. So if we go to class 6 we will understand all these chapter. So dear student, as well as teacher, as well as parents, this subject is going to be very dynamic, because what is happening here, there, what you learn in newspaper, everything, the foundation knowledge part and the analytical skill part is present there. So I am advising you, whether you are class 6 student or preparing for any exam, or you are a parents or teacher, now the responsibility of understanding this subject is very important. And for that I am going to conduct whole class 6th book thoroughly from point to point, line to line, and try to explain, decode the analytical reasoning and logical part, so that you have that cognitive skill, you can develop the analytical skill, that the competency what new education policy wanted and the what 21st century wanted. Because artificial intelligence, there is machine who is more intelligent and start starting their journey of generating new knowledge. So in order to compete this present world, you need to adopt that skill, and for that new education policy has come up with this competency based skill program, and knowledge is now imparting through that skill. So thank you everybody, thank you. It will be very fantastic moment for me to introducing new class on social science. Thank you, thank you.